Good morning and welcome to a very, very tired birthday vlog because it's my birthday and I sound a bit like death at the minute. We've got a full day planned at the water park and then I don't really know what the plans are for tonight, but I sound like I'm dying a little bit, which isn't fun for anyone. So I'm gonna go enjoy a day out at the water park and make the most out of my 22nd birthday. I'm not really feeling 22 though. I'm feeling about 80.
We're at the water park now, surrounded by lifeguards. And it's a bit cloudier today, which isn't the best thing ever, but it's my birthday, so it's okay. Just love how it had to be cloudy on my birthday. It's ruined it. But it's fine, because we're at a water park and I'm a water baby, so we're gonna we're gonna live, laugh, love today. We're in the lazy river and Caitlin's having trouble keeping up. And we're all just floating, and now she's grabbed hold of me. I've been kept freaking hostage. Goodness sakes, I just want to float away in peace.
We're losing Dad, by the way.
Why have I been kept in a chain? Maybe I just want to float off.
Dad, you need to move out of the way. Dad, you're going to get splashed there. You need to move.
This gives me like Temple Run vibes. I'm folded like a freaking sandwich. Pretty though. I'm just, oh my god, I'm getting squished. Ow! I'm getting split off, so I'm holding on to her foot. Oh, where do we go? Do we go in there? No. Okay. Follow the river. Oh my god! Oh, my sunburn did not like that. It's a bit cloudy today and I don't like it. It's very relaxing, aside from the wasps that keep trying to attack me. Look how pretty it is though. Oh, I keep getting behind.
You need to push yourself. Oh no, oh no, it's going to be me as well. Oh no. Oh! Ah! I don't like it, I don't like it, I don't like it, I don't like it, I don't like it. I'm stuck in it. I'm stuck in it. Am I even moving? I don't think I'm moving.
God. Sorry, I'm drenched and I haven't actually been in the water yet myself. It's all thanks to that thing. Now in a very long queue to get food, and the options are hot dog or burger. I have no idea what I want, but it seems to be that I've been eating burgers pretty much every day I've been here, so I might go for a hot dog, to be honest. Look at how beautiful the sunshine is. Why is it gone blurry? Because it's been in the water with sun cream, and that is how cameras get blurry. Down waiting for my food, and I've come to the realisation that I am ridiculously sunburnt, to the point that I actually peeled it off of my chest and I actually thought there was a cobweb on me whilst I was queuing for a ride to go on one of the water slides, but no, it wasn't a cobweb, it was actually my skin completely flaking off. And we're only on what, day 3, day 4 maybe, which is quite sad because I don't want to the point where it's just looking like cobwebs on my chest. So the water park was getting a little bit too much. There was some absolute knobheads, to put it bluntly, in the river rapids that were just barricading it all off and starting fights and things, which I've never seen anything like it in my life, but definitely had to cut that short. So we're back at the hotel. I have got my caramel ice cream that is absolutely going everywhere. I've only just got it this second and it's already melting. My eyelashes look like spider's legs. And I've got a San Francisco cocktail with vodka. If you've never tried it before, then definitely get your hands on it. It is so nice. It's like a Sex on the Beach, but sweeter. It kind of reminds me of like sherbet or something. That's like the best way I can possibly put it. But yeah, it is much nicer. So that's like my go-to cocktail now. Used to be a pornstar martini as well. I absolutely love that, but this tops it. I could drink these all day, every day for the rest of my life. Dangerous though. It's like juice. It just tastes like juice. Stopped recording because I was in a rush to get ready. I am now ready. This is the outfit. I'm in love with it. But we've gone for a walk along the promenade. This is it lit up at night. It's very pretty. Oh, now amazing. Very, very pretty. This is my outfit so that you can get a proper good glance. And this is all that's around me. My family stood looking very confused. I just want to take you all on a walk with me because it's actually so pretty around here. And I don't want to gatekeep the beauty of Salou. I just can't get over how pretty it is. And they do have a water fountain display on every night as well. I think we might go watch that. We are now going into the House of Illusion. I've never heard of it before, but apparently it's a big thing. It's hard to film without getting the music in, so I might get done for copyright. It's just me, but he sounds just like him.
I'll set up ready for you.
You know, me. Never met someone so awkward in my life. This lovely gentleman just said happy birthday to me. And I had no idea what was going on. As usual, so I've embarrassed myself. Got our drink.
Sweet.
Walking down the street, pretty woman. Just had a card trick performed on me. It was actually really good. I will insert some very poor footage in. But his name is Cam Walsh. It's Cam Walsh Magic on Instagram. If you want to give him a follow, it'd be greatly appreciated. And we're now leaving after an eventful night of magic. Magic. Forced us to get photos in front of the fountain and I'm just fuming. No paparazzi, please. I love you, baby, and if it's quite alright, I want you, baby, for all these lonely nights. I don't know the rest of the words. I'm in Dubai. I'm not in Dubai. I'm in Salou. I'm back in the hotel room now and I'm really sad because I didn't really get to show you my outfit earlier. I'm going to stand on the bed so I can show you. This is my outfit. And it's very pretty. Oh, I can't really see it, but oh well. I'm also trying volcano takis for the first time. I've never tried volcano takis, so I think they're a bit too cheesy though. Can you stick?
Casey's got a pot noodle. Where did you get that from?
What?
The pot noodle?
There.
Oh.
The table. The table of hot noodles.
Fair enough.
Our room's officially a state now as well.
How is it?
Well, it is a state.
Look, there's nothing on the floor. Apart from shoes over there. Yeah! Excuse me.
Yeah, but it's just messy. Yeah, that was just for a split second.
I put my shoes away instantly. Yours are right here in the middle of the walkway.
I've just had a go at her for not putting shoes away properly, and I've just done the same thing. Well, that is the end of my birthday vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye.